Ever wondered how to set up a robust home network? Well, whether you're a seasoned techie or a novice in the digital world, setting up a home network isn't as daunting as it seems. Today, we're going to unravel the process, breaking it down into straightforward, easy-to-follow steps. In the wake of recent global changes, the need for a strong home network has skyrocketed. More people are studying, working, and spending leisure time online, and a solid home network is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. So, where do you start? The first thing to consider is the hardware components. There are wired and wireless devices, each with their own benefits. Wired devices typically provide better performance, while wireless devices offer the flexibility of mobility within your home. When connecting wired devices, an RJ45 network cable is your best friend. It's essential to ensure compatibility with Gigabit Ethernet to get the best performance. If you have multiple wired devices, consider using switches. Managed switches in particular come packed with advanced features that can enhance your networking experience. Now let's talk about wireless devices. Wi-Fi is a crucial feature for these devices. When setting up Wi-Fi, it's vital to set a WPA2 password for your network security. Wi-Fi operates on two bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band is ideal for connecting devices that are further away, while the 5 GHz band offers faster data rates at a shorter range. If you're looking to extend your network range, there are several options. Wired Ethernet connections, power line adapters, and coaxial cables can all help extend your network's reach. Alternatively, a wireless mesh system can blanket your entire home in a strong Wi-Fi signal, eliminating dead zones and providing seamless connectivity. Last, but certainly not least, is network security. Securing your network involves setting user passwords, changing default passwords, and activating the firewall on your router. Never underestimate the importance of network security. It's your first line of defense against unwanted intrusions. So there you have it, setting up a home network in a nutshell. To recap, you'll need to consider your hardware components, connect your wired and wireless devices, extend your network range if necessary, and most importantly, secure your network. With these steps, you're well on your way to having a robust home network that suits your needs. Remember, a strong home network isn't just about speed and performance, it's also about security and reliability. So go forth and conquer the digital world from the comfort of your home. And remember, in the realm of technology, knowledge is power. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep connecting.